I'm Caden from SmartBench Software, and we're talking about Renaissance, an Onshape app that is a powerhouse of automation. Renaissance features dozens of useful apps, but this video we're focusing on assembly links. This simple app is available in the right panel inside of an assembly context. The way this app works is simple. It loads the assembly definition and finds all of the tab references. A preview is shown of the table containing all of the component document links. Clicking the export will start the export process. In a moment, I can either receive an email or a file download of the CSV table. CSV contains all of the item numbers from the BOM, the part numbers, names, descriptions, and document links in Onshape, including the configuration of the part. This app can be helpful for quick PLM ingests, audits, or even reports. Get Renaissance for free for 30 days in the Onshape Appstore and check out smartbenchsoftware.com for all things Onshape automation.